Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the headset powered off and disconnected. This prevents shorting and false diagnostics. Remove the right or left ear cup by gently prying at the seam with a thin spudger. Work along the edge, not straight up, to avoid cracking the plastic. Once a corner pops, slide the spudger around the rim until the cup detaches. You'll feel clips release. Make sure to keep them aligned for reassembly. Place the removed pad and any small screws in a tray so nothing gets lost. Once the cup is open, locate the retaining ring or clip system holding the pad and speaker. If there are screws, remove them and lift the ring. If clips, release them evenly to avoid bending. Carefully unplug the pad-mounted cable or detach the foam from the driver. Take a photo so you remember routing. Clean adhesive residue and dust with a 70% isopropyl wipe, avoiding the driver diaphragm. This ensures the new pad seats flat and prevents rattles. Make sure surfaces are dry before proceeding. Place the new pad so its edges sit flush with the cup and the cable. If present, passes through the same channel. Reinstall the retaining ring or snap clips back in sequence, pressing around the rim to engage each clip. Replace any screws, tighten until snug, avoid over-torquing plastic. Reconnect the headset, power on, and test with low volume to confirm both channels play. If you hear imbalance or no sound, reseat the connector and confirm the pad isn't pinching the cable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.